What's up, everybody? So I wanted to do a quick video going over just my thoughts on the iPhone Air. I got the 17 Pro Max this year as well as the iPhone Air and decided to kind of try both of them out just to see which one would I want to use for this next year. Historically, I've always gone with the 17, or not the 17, but the Pro Max series. But I did kind of take a look at what Apple was describing with the Air, with the lightness of the phone, which is really nice. And the thickness is pretty cool too. The battery life wasn't as big of a deal for me since I am around a charger most of the day, but there was one thing about the Air that really made me decide to keep my 17 Pro Max. When it comes to the problem that I end up finding with the Air is it has to do with the USB-C port here. And the fact that the Air is missing the display out feature, and that is something I use all the time. So let me show you what I mean. So a lot of times on my phones, I like to play games or watch different videos. And when you take, USB-C and you plug it up, and this is just another USB-C here to my external monitor, then I'm able to watch videos or play my games up here. So if I load up a game like Destiny or Genshin, it doesn't matter, then I'm able to play my game and it looks really nice on my external display. So this is something that I like to do. This phone is very fresh, so I still have to finish setting up stuff with this. But anyways, you see though how it's doing the output. So now if I try to do the same thing on the iPhone Air and I'm plugging the same cable, let me unlock it. You notice it'll never load to let me see exactly to mirror my screen here. I know that you can do stuff like this with an Apple TV or with a Roku, but this is just a simple, lightweight external monitor. It's nice and easy to set up, so I like to use these. It doesn't use any other kind of data or anything. It just lets me just connect it up with my phone and enjoy my content on a larger display on the go with me. But yeah, it won't display anything out here. So once I found this out, I actually went online and was able to look up to see that, yep, in fact, Apple left that feature out of the Air models. It's even inside of the regular 16, but the only other device that I was able to find where they did not include this benefit was with the iPhone 16e. So I never did try that phone. Like I said, I normally stick to the Pro Max series, but if anybody is thinking about getting the iPhone Air, it's a nice phone. It is very lightweight. The camera, I do prefer the camera features on the Pro Max with the 17 Pro Max series, but just when it comes to the lightness, it's a good phone. But if you use that display out, I got to put the name of exactly what Apple calls it, but I'll put that down here as inside the description. But if you use that display out feature a whole lot on your iPhone to game or enjoy content on the TV or on your external monitor, then just know that that is going to be. Let me see, actually, can I play this here? See, can I find something to play? So you're watching something on your phone, you want to watch it here on the big screen. See there? You can just kind of put your phone up and enjoy watching on the big display. This is a really nice feature, it's really cool. And I don't know why Apple didn't include that with this, because I was kind of leaning towards trying this Air model this year, but I really like this feature a lot. So anyways, hope this helps somebody with their buying decision. And if it did, make sure you drop a like and leave a comment.